Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some super awesome cleaning motivation. It is time for me to take down all of my Easter decorations and reset my home for more of just a neutral spring decor. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home. I do a ton of Dollar Tree crafty decor projects, tidying, organizing, just everything to do with having this cute little home on a budget. I love to share that with you guys. But in today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys some cleaning motivation. I know I have just been feeling a little bit kind of stuck at home or safe at home. I don't know which one you want to call it, but I just feel like there's too much clutter in my living room area, and now my dining room has become a homeschool area for my kiddos, and so I just really want to simplify everything. So I hope this gives you guys some ideas and also some motivation.
And I want to take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day.
So I'm just starting in my living room, and I'm putting all of my Easter decor in a tote and trying to separate that from the regular decor that I'll probably be putting back out.
Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there.
So I'm just vacuuming and tidying up my floors with my Dyson vacuum. I found this at Walmart on the Black Friday sale, but I'll also put one in my Amazon store if you guys don't want to get out. I love this vacuum. It is so wonderful. So I also wanted to let you all know that hydrogen peroxide is an amazing cleaner. I've been researching different kind of cleaners, non-toxic cleaners, and I found that hydrogen peroxide is not only a disinfectant, but you can also use it on your mirrors. Comment and let me know if you all use hydrogen peroxide to clean with. I've just been doing so much research trying to figure out what is the best way to kill the virus. Now, obviously, I'm not really trying to kill a virus on my mirror, but I just wanted to test it out and see if it actually cleaned the mirrors really well, and it actually does. So I just popped a little spray nozzle onto my hydrogen peroxide bottle, and then I use that to clean with, and then I'm using it on the surface to disinfect. You do need to leave it on a bit longer if you're disinfecting like kitchen counters.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any, to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
So during this cleaning session, I did not plan on cleaning out from underneath these couch cushions, but my vacuum had enough charge left on it to go ahead and clean out this one couch and then clean one of the cushions. So to be continued to finish cleaning the rest of my couch. I did have to go ahead and stick it on the charger because I had been vacuuming for quite some time, even though it may not look like it in this video. And also oh my goodness, I really want some beautiful spring pillow coverings. All of these pillow coverings are from the winter time, and I love how cushy they are. So I don't actually want to get new pillows, but some new pillow coverings. Comment and let me know where you guys are finding some really fun new spring pillow coverings, and what colors are you all using for spring. I really need some inspiration right now.
All that ever was is alright. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day.
So now I'm just tidying up my entryway table. I created this beautiful floral using Dollar Tree supplies. I shared a DIY with you guys earlier in the season. I did end up keeping that out, but I want to make a new one. So definitely check for new Dollar Tree DIYs coming up very soon. But it just felt so good to just go ahead and take everything off of my little buffet table. This is just a little vintage flea market find, painted white, and just get everything all nice and tidied up. So if you guys need some motivation to start tidying, go ahead, get off the couch. I promised myself I would only need to do one room, and I ended up accomplishing about 3 rooms in this day. So I felt super great, and everything was looking nice and tidy and smelling nice and clean as well.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops
So now we're just moving into my dining room, and I'm going to go ahead and continue to clean in here, as well as packing up Easter decor and just tidying up the table. So for Easter, I actually set a really fancy Easter table, and I let the kids know that I was going to dress up, and they were so game for dressing up. So it just made it really special and fancy. So far, since we have been safe at home or stuck at home, we've celebrated my son's birthday, we've had Easter, and the kids may even be doing a stay-at-home prom. I think their prom is supposed to be next weekend. I have seniors, and so anyway, we're just doing our best to keep our spirits up and keep on trucking.
I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So now we're just moving into my little cottage kitchen, and my husband is actually the cook in the family, to be totally honest with you. I love to craft, and I'm really great with the glue gun, but cooking is definitely not my strong suit. So he's been helping me out so much in the kitchen lately, which is so I'm just so thankful for it. It allows me to continue to craft and put out videos for you guys. But this kitchen really needs a deep clean. And I know before you guys deep clean or spring clean, you're supposed to just clean. So I try to really give my surfaces a really good cleaning. I also went in again with some of that hydrogen peroxide on some of the counters just to hopefully disinfect things a little bit more.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting.
So now that everything is all tidied up, I wanted to show you guys kind of what everything looks like not decorated for a holiday. Usually you all see my home decorated for either Easter or fall or Christmas. I go really over the top for holidays, but I've had several of you all comment and ask me what things look like not decorated for a holiday. So here's kind of what everything looks like. I'm definitely going to be decorating though, again, probably for a spring summer theme. I'm going to bring in some kind of gardening vibes just to cheer things up. I really do love to decorate, but I feel like right now I'm definitely going to be challenged to use what I have. So comment and let me know, how are you guys going to be decorating for after Easter? Do you do like a summer lemon theme? Do you go for coastal vibes? Do you go all out for 4th of July? I would love to hear what you guys are up to and help me get inspired for this new season. And we're definitely gonna have to get super creative right now since we are at home and just trying to use everything that we have. I am not going to be going out shopping. I think we've been home now for about a month. So anyway, I just want to tell y'all I love you so much. If you're new to this YouTube channel, definitely consider subscribing. I do a ton of Dollar Tree crafty decor DIYs on a budget. I just love to share with you guys how you can have a cute little home without breaking the bank. And I also love to tidy, organize, and all of that good stuff. So I also have an Olivia Romantic Home Facebook group page. Connect over there. It's totally free to join. And you guys can share photos of your home decor and your crafty decor projects. Follow me on Instagram and hashtag me Olivia's Romantic Home if you guys are doing some Easter cleanup or any kind of tidying right now. I cannot wait to share the next video with you all. Remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Until then, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.